Hello and welcome. Now in this video, what we are going to be talking about is promoting your link on LinkedIn. Now LinkedIn is a professional network, and so what you're going to want to do is to connect with people based on your expertise in the niche. Now, one of the things that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fix your profile. And so in order to do that, you're just going to go to your profile once you have an account on LinkedIn and edit it. Now you're going to have quite a few things that you can put in here to your benefit. Now you want to make sure that everything that you put into from your photo to your description really does lend itself to people finding you credible to present the link that you're going to be presenting. You're going to get multiple opportunities to put photos in, to talk about your education, so any training that's going to be related, anything that you can put into your summary. Everything that you want to put on your LinkedIn page should give people confidence that when you share something, they should want to listen. So from your summary to your skills, to your language, to your volunteering experience, anything that's related to what you're going to be sharing, you want to have it in there. Now, everything that you're going to be putting into your experience, you're going to want to put in there, and any of the positions. Now, you don't want to put everything that you have ever done in LinkedIn. You want to make sure that your profile is relevant. Now, LinkedIn is going to give you multiple opportunities to connect with people, and you want to take those opportunities. You also want to take opportunities to connect with people based on the information that you put in and people who are going to be close to you inside of the things and networks where you are, whether or not it's your school, whether or not it's your particular company. You are going to be given opportunities to connect with people through LinkedIn's system. Now, one of the best things that you can do is get involved with people through search, and I'm going to show you how to do that here in a minute. Now notice I've placed the search into the box called dog training, and I'm going to find people who are interested in dog training. And when I find these people, one of the things that you're going to find near the end of their profile is you're going to find people who have endorsed them. Now, these are going to be people who are going to be interested in some way, shape, or form in the niche where you are going to be placing your link. And the benefit of looking at these people is this. These are not always going to be professionals presenting their services. These are going to be people who are professionals who have either experienced the individual who's going to be presenting their services. They're going to have a desire for whatever it is that you are going to be presenting. So these are going to be the people where you want to start looking to connect to. Now, like other social networks, LinkedIn also has a news feed, and you are going to be doing exactly what you're doing on the other social networks. You are going to be presenting good information, 3 out of 4 posts, and then on the 4th or 5th post, you're going to place an information here based on your link. And you're going to share it in the same way that we have talked about on the other social networks with 3 basic lines or 3 basic sentences. 1, stating the problem based on your frequently asked questions. 2, agitating the problem or describing what happens if things would get worse. And 3, presenting your link as the solution. And you want to do that on a continual basis. And you're going to continue and be consistent about sharing your links and building your following as you do on all the other social networks. If you're doing LinkedIn consistently, your following will grow. You will have people who will be seeing your link, and you will be connecting to people who are going to be interested in what it is that you have to offer. Now, as you look for groups to sign up for, you don't always want to necessarily sign up with groups that are related to dog training, because typically these groups are for professionals talking about the profession. You want people who are going to be interested in talking about other things where you can present your link and to be the expert or perceived as the expert or viewed as someone who is going to be credible. So in terms of looking for groups, you want to look for the kind of groups that will have people who are going to be interested in buying your service, not interested in talking about the profession. And so as you select groups and as you participate, You can start questions and you can start discussions about dog training, but you want to make sure that you are in places where you are having discussions with people, where you are not talking about the profession, but you're talking about the needs of the people where they're going to be dealing with dog training. Now, one of the things that you'll want to take note of is that every place where you're going to get an opportunity to put in information about what it is that you are going to be presenting, you have the opportunity to place video in addition to text. So where you might also want to excel is you want to repurpose and use those videos that you have been creating for YouTube, and also to place them on LinkedIn in the appropriate areas. So as you can see, you'll have multiple opportunities in multiple sections for you to be able to create video and place other links where you will be able to discuss what it is that you are doing. Now, LinkedIn does have a premium service here where you can pay on a monthly basis, but you really want to get a sense for whether or not LinkedIn is producing for your niche the opportunities and producing income before you apply, or before you consider getting a premium membership to give you extra benefits. It's just as well to start with a free profile and to use it in order to get your link in front of people using LinkedIn. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.